I just bought this profile cylinder 5-pin from a Trodel market in Germany called Gera, G-E-R-A, and on the side, I don't know if you can see it there, there's a serial number. Also corresponding to it on the key there's the same serial number. So my initial look at that, I don't know if there's any security pins in it. Give you a quick look at the profile itself. It's quite tight in there. Show you that the profile works. Yeah, with the key in it. I had to play around with it earlier, and I found the best method for this is using my tensioner with my normal pick. But what I'm going to do with this pick, I'm going to rake it, and that seems to work quite well. Not an expert at this. I'm getting there. I'm doing apply. They went to the 1 o'clock position as you saw. So what I'll do, I'll bring it back. I think that's telling me there's a security pin in it. There you go. I brought it back from the 1 o'clock position, slightly back to towards the 12 o'clock position, and raked using my pick again, and it came straight off. So therefore I believe there must be a security pin in there. So if there's any advice out there, please let me know.